Excuse me, could you help me find the section with electronics?
Of course. Electronics are located in aisle 5, right at the back of the store. Is there anything specific you're looking for?
Yes, I'm in need of a new laptop. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. We have a variety of laptops to choose from. Are you looking for something for work, gaming, or general use?
I need it mostly for work, so something reliable with a good battery life.
In that case, I'd recommend checking out this model over here. It has a fast processor, ample storage, and a battery life of up to 10 hours.
Sounds good. Can I also compare it with another model? Maybe one that's a bit more budget-friendly?
Certainly. We have a few budget-friendly options in this section. This one here is more affordable, but still performs well for everyday tasks. It has a decent battery life too.
Great, thanks for the options. Do these laptops come with any warranty?
Yes, all our laptops come with a standard 1-year warranty. Additionally, you can opt for an extended warranty for extra coverage.
That's good to know. I'll take a closer look at both of these models and then decide.
Sure, take your time. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.
Will do, thanks for your help.